Our flight board's in 10 minutes.
Oh no, we must hurry. David, wake up. It is airport day.
5 more minutes, please.
Oh no, we are late. Yes, the flight is at 11. Kids, wake up. It is airport day.
Airport today. We are going on a plane today.
Yes, but first we must hurry.
Mom, my shoe is wrong.
It's okay, I will help you.
Did we pack it?
Did we pack everything?
Yes, but check your passport.
I cannot find my passport.
What? Please tell me you are joking. Where did you put it last?
I think it was on the table.
Daddy, I found it.
You are my hero.
Is everyone ready? Yes!
Let's go to the airport. Everyone fasten your seatbelts.
I cannot wait to see the planes.
Oh no, the traffic is very slow.
Do you think we will be late? There is another road on the right.
Good. I will turn there.
The road is clear now.
We will arrive on time.
Wow, the airport is so big.
Yes, and we are right on time.
There are so many people. Stay close to us.
Our flight is gate 12.
Good. Let's go to check-in.
Here are our passports.
Thank you. Please place your bags on the scale.
Your bag is too heavy.
Oh, can we fix it here?
We can move some clothes to this bag.
Yes, that will make it lighter.
Perfect. The weight is good now.
Thank you very much.
Will it beep?
No, don't worry. It is safe.
Go ahead, Lily. You can do it.
Okay, I am ready.
See? No beep at all.
I was brave. I am not scared.
Good job, Tom.
Look, I can see our plane.
Yes, it is waiting for us.
We still have some time. Can we sit near the window? Can I have these cookies?
Yes, but just one pack. Passengers for Flight 208, please come to Gate 12.
That is our flight. Let's go.
We are so close to the plane.
Yes, our adventure is starting. Welcome aboard. Thank you.
These are our seats.
Oh, no.
I want the window seat.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Mine is tight.
Please listen carefully.
I am listening. We are flying.
Yes, we are in the air now.
The clouds look like pillows.
Yes, they look very soft. Here are your snacks.
Thank you.
This trip will be very fun.
Yes, we will make happy memories.
I can see the houses.
We are landing soon.
We are on the ground.
Yes, we arrived safely.
Please stay close to me.
Okay, Dad.
This airport looks different. Yes, we are in a new city. Is that our bag?
Not yet. We will see it soon.
Dad, that is ours.
Yes, I see it.
We made it together.
Yes, our adventure starts now.